kind of sketchy, but it's super cold out here. It'll go away after it warms up. Very subtle exhaust. But today's video, guys, is going to be about pretty much how to fully disable traction control. Because, oh, there it goes. It's away. But yeah, because a lot of people don't know how to do it. Granted, I didn't know how to do it either. But I figured it out. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And it's definitely a game changer. So this is how you do it. Don't mind the dustiness. I have to clean the inside of the car. But yeah, so pretty much you're going to have your foot on the foot brake. Turn this down. Just turn it down. Foot on foot brake. Traction control off, traction control on. Then you're gonna lift this up, foot off the foot brake now, traction control off, traction control on, foot back on the foot brake with this up, and traction control off, traction control on. And that's what you guys are looking for right there, the lights. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's literally kind of a mission. Like, after I learned it a couple times later, I still had to like figure out how to do it again, because it's kind of annoying. I mean, they should have just made it a button, but I guess I don't know why they made it so hard. Anyways, this is a game changer though. Like, the car, like, I've noticed with my intake when I only pressed this off, so I did this pretty much. I thought that was disabling it fully, but it's not. You want the other flashing part. But yeah, so when I have it like this and I lose traction, you can hear like the boost of the intake goes, and then like it cuts in and out. But when you do it with this, like the way I just showed you, it's crazy, because like it doesn't do that at all. It goes, and it goes hard as shit, guys. But that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just wanted to show you guys because I had a difficult time figuring it out. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I loved you until you tried to get in my head, and that's where I lost respect. You're doing the most to get